Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 3 boxes that I'll be unboxing. These are mysteries to me. Paul ordered them. I have no idea what's inside, so we're going to see what's there.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so the only thing that I know about these boxes is that it's going to be just a few items, but multiples. So you should be able to find them on Hooked on Pickin. We will have them on Hooked on Pickin, is what Paul said. So we're going to start with the big box in the middle. Why I did that is because I like to make my life difficult and not make any kind of sense with what I do. So, all right, what is inside this box? All right.
4 boxes!
More boxes. Interesting. Well, they all look like the same box. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes in this one big box. That's all that's in here.
All right.
So what I'm going to do is move this box out of my way so I can open the little box to even figure out what in the world it is. All right. Mystery box number 1. Let's see what it is. What in the world did you order, Paul? What is... It's a bomb. No. Torpedo. Ooh, it's a helmet. I'm going to unwrap this and see what it looks like. So we got these at a really good deal, huh?
We did.
Awesome. Looks like it's oiled to keep the metal from rusting. I will re-bubble wrap this one with new bubble wrap, but I'm not going to take all of the paper off, or all of the...
This was from some store that was closing.
This is like a... Is this like a Crusader type of helmet?
I believe it is.
Look at that!
You gotta put it on, Heather.
I have to put it on.
Oh,
I
yes.
am ready for battle.
You have a bag on your head, too.
Don't suffocate yourself with a bag on your head. This is cool. So we have a bunch of these for sale.
Yep.
All right, so we'll put them on Hooked on Pickin. You'll be able to find them there. We'll put the links down in the description.
I can't exactly remember how many I bought.
Yeah. Well, we know we have at least 6. All right.
We have 6?
Yep. All right. So, mystery number 1. Random large Crusader helmet that everyone needs to put on their coffee table as a conversation starter.
Yeah. Or just wear to church.
Wear it to church? Yeah, you do need a mask.
A mask is required.
Yep.
Wear those.
Wear those. It'll work just as good.
Just for fun.
Just for fun. All right, what's in this box? Now, will it be more helmets or something new? I have no idea. There we go. Well, this looks like something new. Ooh, I hope this is what I think it is. Because we sold these like crazy. Are these the straws? Oh, my word. So this is 8 large silicone straws. These were sold so stinking fast off the store. So we're going to put them back on the store. Let me move this over so we can see exactly what they look like. So it comes in this cool green bag. And then it is... So it's all of these silicone straws, 2 stainless steel straws, and then a little pouch.
Buy from Amazon.
Buy from Amazon.com or hookedonpickin.com. And then 2 little cleaners to clean out the insides of the straws. So it's a whole silicone straw pack. That's amazing.
Those two metal ones are stainless steel?
Yeah, these are stainless steel ones. So these are awesome. Silicone straws, 2 extra long stainless steel straws, 2 cleaning brushes, 1 textile pouch, I guess that's what this is, and the 8 silicone straws. That's amazing. So we have a bunch of those now. So they'll be sold just like this as it, as you saw them.
Do you remember what we were selling them for?
I cannot remember what we were selling them for.
Like $10, I think.
I think so, which is a really good deal because I just bought stainless steel straws for myself, and I think I paid more than that from Walmart.
How much were we paying?
What?
How much were we selling them for?
I think about $10, I think. So, all right. So, I don't remember what we were doing the helmets for. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, this one's in a different packaging, so we'll have to make that one. Maybe I'll just keep this one. Oh, look it. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more helmets. Right? No, wait. 1, 2, 3 more helmets. I thought they were double stacked. They're not. 3 more helmets. 24 straws. So we got a bunch of that. Let's see what's in here. That might have been all that we got. Paul doesn't remember, and neither do I, so it's a mystery to both of us. Sometimes we order and then don't end up opening the box for a few weeks just because we've got lots of other things that we're doing. And holidays hit, and it took a while to get here. Usually 888 Lots is pretty good, though, and shipping pretty fast. So if you want to order from 888 Lots, you can always check the links in the description. I always put them down there. Oh, and then 3 more helmets. So, yep.
Perfect.
So we have got, how many helmets? We've got 6 that came out of this box. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 helmets, and 24 straws. That's pretty good. So you will find these items on Hooked on Pickin, and I love this thing. This is awesome. Start your collection with a Crusader helmet. That's right. Conversation starter right on your coffee table. All right, so hopefully it's been fun to see the new stuff we're putting on Hooked on Pickin and the mystery box that Paul bought that I had no idea about. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want something else to go with your medieval helmet, we also have these on the store. These are a 14-inch medieval dagger. It's not sharp, but can be sharpened, so most of the time it's a fun letter opener or display piece. So if you don't have room for a giant helmet on your coffee table, maybe you have room for something like this. I've also got ones that have displays where you can set it up on an office desk and things like that. So go to hookedonpickin.com, check out all the other cool stuff that we have, and thanks for watching.